Launching a new business is exhilarating, but the overwhelming burden of legal paperwork, confusing state filing requirements, and fear of expensive legal mistakes often paralyzes ambitious entrepreneurs. Every business owner eventually reaches a critical turning point where operating as an informal sole proprietor exposes personal savings, homes, and assets to huge, unnecessary liability risks. Understanding how to protect yourself without overpaying for high-priced legal services is a fundamental step toward building a sustainable company. When forming a limited liability company, or LLC, many founders face the stress of managing corporate compliance on a tight budget. Setting up an LLC correctly separates your personal assets from your business liabilities, creating a legal shield that protects your personal savings if your business ever faces a lawsuit or debt collection. However, attempting to navigate official government websites independently can lead to costly errors, missing deadlines, or selecting incorrect legal structures. This is precisely where platforms like Inc Authority become valuable, as they streamline the filing process while offering $0 service fee structures to keep your initial overhead low. To use Inc Authority effectively, start by preparing your essential business details before visiting their portal. You will need a unique business name, a designated business address, and a brief description of your operating activities. Inc Authority begins the process by executing a complimentary business name availability check within your specific state's registry, ensuring that your desired brand name is legally available and compliant before any official paperwork is submitted. Once your business name is confirmed, the system guides you through entering your official business parameters and choosing your registered agent. Every official LLC is legally required to maintain a designated registered agent, an individual or service tasked with receiving official government correspondence, tax documents, and legal notices during normal business hours. A major advantage of forming through Inc Authority is that they include 1 full year of registered agent services completely free of charge, saving you money during your initial launch phase. As you move through the online registration process, pay close attention to optional upsells and add-on services. While Inc Authority waives its labor and service fees for standard entity formation, every business founder must still pay the mandatory state filing fee directly required by their respective Secretary of State office. State fees vary significantly depending on where you incorporate, so ensure you budget for this mandatory government cost. Additionally, while optional packages offer extras like employer identification number registration, operating agreement templates, and expedited processing, you can choose to stick strictly to the $0 core plan to maintain the lowest possible startup expenses. After reviewing and finalizing your submitted information, Inc Authority drafts your formal articles of organization and submits them directly to your state's filing department. Depending on state processing speeds, your official LLC formation documents will be digitally approved, stored, and made available for secure download. With your approved LLC, you can confidently apply for a federal EIN through the IRS, open a dedicated business bank account, and establish proper financial bookkeeping to preserve your corporate liability veil. Taking action to form your LLC correctly today grants you legal protection, tax flexibility, and total peace of mind as you scale your brand.